Good show, ladies. Thank you so much. That was a tough competition to the boys. They just went Kollywood, these girls went Bollywood. Thank you so much, girls. Next, we have prize distribution for the maximum attendance for the year. Post that, we will start distributing the snacks. So I please request the parents to remain seated for another 10-15 minutes to appreciate and applaud the kids who had been patient enough and been regular enough and disciplined enough in coming to the school regularly. Thank you. Be distributed in the corridor. Request this chief guest, Ms. Sita Lakshmi ma'am, to come up and honor the kids who had been regular to the school in the past year. Okay, can we have the maximum attendance kids from the playgroup? Ezra Titus, who joined the school during the June admission batch. Ezra Titus. Do we have Ezra Titus parents? Will be Sanjay from the Vijayadashmi batch. First coming up is Ezra Titus from the June admission batch of the playgroup for maximum attendance. Can we please applaud the kid? Can we please? Next up, can I have Mrityun and Dikshit Mahadev. Next up is Sanjay from the Vijayadashmi admission batch. A special mention to Sanjay. Sanjay has not even taken 1 day of absence. He's not been away from school, not even for a day. And this kid belongs to the play group batch. Vijayadashmi batch. He'd not even wanted to be away from school for a day. Okay, he's enjoying his award. Next, from the nursery batch, June admission, we have Mrityun for maximum attendance. Mrityun. Can we have Prithvi Raj from Euro Junior to be ready? Yeah, thank you. Next up, Dikshit Mahadev from the Vijayadashmi admission batch. And this is Mrityun from the June admission batch for his maximum attendance throughout this academic year. Can we please applaud the kid? Can we please? Thank you. Can we have Prithvi Raj? Euro Junior Prithvi Raj. Careful, careful. Next up is Euro Junior Prithvi Raj. While Prithvi Raj is coming, can we have Sanjeev and Adlina from the Euro Senior? Sanjeev and Adlina. And this is Prithvi Raj from the Euro Junior batch for maximum attendance. Can we please applaud the kid? Do we have Sanjeev and Adlina and the parents? Euro Seniors. Thank you. Sanjeev from Euro Seniors. Adlina? Thank you. Please applaud the kid. Adlina? Yeah, we have professional photographers. They are taking the pictures. Next up is Adlina from Euro Senior for maximum attendance. Can we please applaud the kid? Round of applause. These kids had been regular to the school throughout the academic year. Can we have all the teachers on the stage? Thank you so much for pulling off this event. Without you, this would not have been possible. Can you please join on the stage?
Good evening, everyone. How was the show? Excellent, right? My daughter sitting there was saying, "Amma, power my teachers." It's not that the hard effort of the teacher was quite visible and all the kids performed very well. And can we have a big round of applause for all teachers and the students? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for encouraging. Thank you so much for making the appreciation. That is all what it counts. Thank you so much. Now, the special guest will hand over a momentum to all the teachers who had played a vital role throughout this academic year, making it a huge success for this show as well, and doing their parts in major in making our school the #1 preschool all over in Chennai. Thank you so much, teachers. Once this is done, the parents can collect their snacks from the corridor. While we do that, if you can please applaud for the teachers for patiently putting through with our children, making them what they are today, training them in everything, putting their heart and soul, treating the kids as their own and grooming them. Thank you so much, teachers. Thanks, Sita Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you, franchisee, for picture. Along with the chief guest and the center head, franchisee Mr. Raghuraman, if you can also join for the photograph. Parandaman sir, for helping us through the technicalities. Parandaman sir, can we please have a round of applause given for this team, for this group, for making this event, pulling this all together for us, training our kids, while doing it right, taking care of the kids. Thank you so much, teachers. Congratulations. Congratulations, team. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sita Lakshmi ma'am. Thanks for gracing the occasion. Thank you so much. Now we will give the memento. Sita Lakshmi ma'am, if you could please stay back. Franchisee Mr. Raghuraman and center head Vijay Raghuram is handing over a memento to the chief guest, Ms. Sita Lakshmi ma'am, for gracing the occasion, sharing your knowledge and appreciating us. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have been a kind guest. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion. Can we please give them a round of applause? Thank you. Thank you. Vote of thanks to be delivered by Niveda ma'am. It will be followed by national anthem. If I can please request the parents to stay back for another 5 minutes. Please, if you can.
Vote of thanks. A delightful evening to everyone present here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose this vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record a hearty thanks to Ms. Sita Lakshmi ma'am for presiding over this colorful festivity. Thank you, ma'am. We have been encouraged by your gracious presence. Heartfelt thanks to our franchisee, Mr. Raghuram sir. It is your vision and leadership that has brought everything possible in NeuroKids Thuraipakkam. We have learnt a lot for life through your guidance. I would also like to thank our beloved center head, Ms. Vijay Raghuram, for all words of wisdom that has radiated a source of energy within us. We have been fortunate to be backed by a team of motivated and dedicated teachers. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our coordinator, Ms. Brinda ma'am, for being a sweet and well-rounded teacher. Working with you is real joy. Thank you, ma'am. It is your professionalism and your commitment and your compassion that has brought everything all together. I would also like to take a moment to thank our manager, Mr. Parandaman sir. It is you who are probably the first one to reach every morning and the last one to leave every night. Thank you for your guidance, encouragement that has brought all our efforts in success. I would also like to thank our teachers for making this program a huge success. Thanking all our drivers for assured that safely students has been transported to and from school each day. Thanking all our dear Akkas, the caretakers, and the person who have helped for stage setting, lighting arrangement, photographer Mr. Purushothaman, and I would also like to thank people who have helped in making this carnival in event. I would also like to thank for everyone present here for your valuable present. Now, I request everyone to stand up for national anthem.
Before we could stand for the national anthem, can we please appreciate Coordinator Brinda ma'am by giving away a memento for making all her efforts in turning every possibility and making every stone turned to make sure the academic year had been a success. Thank you so much, Brinda ma'am.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much for gracing the occasion. Can we... Thanks everybody, you can collect your snacks from the corridors against your coupons. Thank you so much. Thanks for making this event a success. Thanks for your patience. It had been nice hosting you today. Abhilashni signing off. Thank you. Bye.